Hello guys, today I'm going to show how you can send fax message from Nothing Phone 2. So in the first step, open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. To show again free credits banner, you have to restart the... Oh, okay, never mind. It's still here, so if you want to send your message for free, just tap on it. Now click on the plus and choose source every document. I'm gonna pick something from your gallery. Just select your photo and click on the import. Now you can add as a shape to your document or the picture. Then you can choose the filter for your photo. Click on accept. Type the number in this place and choose the country from the list. To send the message, just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.